Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're making a hair growth spray and the first ingredient that we're going to be using are black seeds. Guys, you know how much we love black seeds. Black seeds are made from kalonjic seeds and they are amazing for restoring bald patches and really boosting hair growth. The second ingredient we're going to use is rice. You guys know rice water has really helped us grow our hair in the past and is really rich in protein. So we're going to be using both today. Now we'll be pouring the rice into a clean jar. And once we pour that in, we're going to actually follow up by pouring in your black seeds. Now we're actually going to boil some hot water and pour that into the jar. Now you could actually store away this mixture for a couple of hours and then use it, or you could actually store it overnight like we choose to do. And now you have your rice water and black seed spray and it's ready to be used. Now, due to the heavy protein content of the rice water, we will recommend that it should be used on wash day. So that means that the spray should be used, and maybe after lifting your hair for about 45 minutes, it should be washed off. It shouldn't be left to sit in your hair because it has heavy protein content. Now I'll be using the spray to gently detangle my hair and to moisturize my hair, prepping it for wash day. Once I'm all done, I'm going to leave my hair in a shower cap for about 40 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off and follow through with my conditioning routine. So I hope you guys try out this hair growth spray. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!